Hi everybody, hope you all are doing well. Today I am making this yummy chicken gizzard dish. So let's go ahead and get started. I go ahead and assemble all my ingredients. I have gizzard, oregano leaves, habanero pepper, onions, garlic, tomato, bell pepper, and some Maggie cubes. I place my gizzards in a pot. I add my salt and pepper, and I'm going to add my blended ingredients of ginger, garlic, and habanero pepper. So I'm going to let my gizzards cook until they are tender. So now in a different pot, I start to fry my gizzards. I'm going to fry my gizzards until they are golden brown. So my gizzards are looking good and I start to take them out of the oil. I add some oil to a pan and I'm going to bring in my other blended ingredients. I did blend together bell pepper, tomato, onion, and oregano. So I now add my Maggie cubes. I add my black pepper and some salt. I cook this for a few more minutes. Then I bring in some curry powder. I now add the fried gizzard. I give this a stir. It's a little dry, so I'm going to bring in some of that gizzard stock. This smells so good, guys. So I now bring in my parsley and my chopped scallions. So I give this a stir and it's ready for me to serve. I did serve my gizzard with rice and some vegetables. This tasted so delicious, guys. I enjoyed this meal so much. I hope you all can try this out at home. Happy cooking, everybody. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.